Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I think this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Feel
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Glass. See yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a pain while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Fendi couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a biting down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls go and we straight to the source shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls go and we straight to the source shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. I'm on my knees, yeah. We some rock stars and I'm on my knees, yeah. Can't walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash. I'm a shot star, straight to the bag. I'm that nigga high, got me some cash. Rolling out some cash. Yeah, I got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls move and we straight to the source shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls move and we straight to the source shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride the work it in the rhythm.
I wanna
Ride the work it in the rhythm. Work it in the rhythm.
trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through. I miss you. And you.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone this way you don't end up. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask her out about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished look of the stand. Y'all, I ain't got no extra room in my house, so unfortunately, I'm gonna be doing this in the living room. But this how it look, y'all. I had my daughter to do it. I know y'all synced already. These are all the glitters and stuff down there. Glitters and other rhinestones and stuff down there. These the polishes. I need to get more polishes and stuff. Yeah. Let me see. We got all the nails and stuff up in here. These are the different kind of nails I got, y'all. Got some different acrylics, color acrylics. I have still some big jars in the back. They can't fit in here, so we're gonna leave those in the back in overstock. So these are acrylics and monomers that I got different colors. Like this one is green. This one is like a, why am I focusing? This one is like a glitter color. Yeah, just different ones. And then I got all like the rhinestones and different bling stuff that you want on your nails. I got all that in here. And then down here's where all the files and the cutters and the buffers and everything is in there. The nail forms. I'm gonna do a video doing the nail forms one day. But right now, I'm about to get ready and do a set on my daughter. And as y'all can see, I got the camera stand. Focus. Yeah, that's the camera stand right here. And I also have a ring light attached to it. Y'all, so, and there's my drill. You know, the dryer, the LED light, and then the handle stand. Y'all, this is foam. What is battery? This is like a foam little piece. It is, I don't know. I'm gonna buy a better one of these, like a more sturdy one. It's more like light. It's not work for the time being, but yeah, let's see how the light look real quick. Let's see. What are these? Oh, there's the link. So it's gonna be able to do the job. Cause I'm gonna record a video right now. So yeah. Yeah, that'll do the job, y'all. So if y'all like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box out for the $150 giveaway for when I reach 500 subscribers. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned. Always remember, stay blessed, be humble, and be yourself. And I'm out.